Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best round table is probably one of the most versatile and stylish pieces of furniture you can add to your home, offering a unique blend of functionality and aesthetic appeal that can elevate any living space. Whether you're looking for a compact solution for a small apartment or a statement piece for a larger room, this adaptable table design promises to be a practical and elegant addition that seamlessly integrates with your existing decor. Number 5. Baby Relax Hunter Kiddy Table and Chair Set. Introducing the Baby Relax Hunter Kiddy Table and Chair Set, designed for your children's playtime. It's perfect for bedrooms or living rooms, ensuring they can play in complete safety. This set is a great addition for parents who homeschool their children. It provides a dedicated space for activities and learning. Crafted with sturdy wood construction, it includes one table and two chairs at a perfect kid-friendly height. This ensures comfort and accessibility for your little ones. The table features a low border, designed to keep puzzle pieces, crayons, and small toys contained. Say goodbye to items rolling onto the floor. It ships in one box and requires easy assembly. Plus, it comes with a 1-year limited warranty for your peace of mind. This versatile set is available in multiple colors to match your home decor. Find the perfect fit for your child's space. What we like. This set is perfect for your little ones. It features a sturdy wood construction designed at a kid-friendly height, making it safe and comfortable for children. The table also has a safety border to keep toys and art supplies contained. If you have young children who need a dedicated space for playing, drawing, or even homeschooling, this is an excellent choice for their room or play area. What people say. The table is a perfect size for a small dining area. It's very sturdy and well-made, with a smooth finish. The round shape makes it easy to move around and fits well in corners. Number 4. VASAGLE 21.7-inch Round Side Table. This side table is built to last. Its sturdy steel legs and reinforced structure can support up to 66 pounds on the top shelf, ensuring enduring stability. Featuring 2 round shelves with a fine finish and a sleek steel frame, it's a practical and stylish addition to any room. It complements your home decor beautifully. Worried about uneven floors? Adjustable feet keep it steady, ensuring your belongings stay secure and the table remains perfectly balanced. Setting it up is a breeze. With a simple structure and clear instructions, you'll have this end table assembled in no time. Place it next to your sofa, in the hallway, or bedroom. This chic side table is perfect for rounding off your interior design, no matter the location. What we like. This side table offers robust support with its steel frame and a generous weight capacity. Its 2-tier design provides ample storage, and adjustable feet ensure stability on any floor. If you're looking for a stylish and practical accent piece for a small living room, bedroom, or hallway that can hold your books, remotes, or a lamp, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The table is a good size for a small space. It was easy to assemble and looks great in my living room. The surface is smooth and easy to clean. Number 3. VASAGLE Round Coffee Table ULCT 072W59. Experience a perfect match of a marble white top, a bright glass shelf, and elegant golden legs. This design is crafted for your exquisite life. Tired of wobbly tables? We understand. Its thick top, glass shelf, and sturdy steel legs are designed for maximum stability. Assembly is a breeze. Each part is coated, and spare screws are included. Follow the instructions for a relaxing and easy setup. Need more space? Yes. The shelf underneath is perfect for magazines, storage boxes, or flowers, enhancing your leisure time. You'll receive a modern coffee table with a faux marble top and a tempered glass shelf. Intuitive instructions are included for easy assembly. What we like. This coffee table boasts a chic, modern design with a faux marble top and a tempered glass shelf. It's built for maximum stability and offers extra storage space for your leisure time. If you appreciate minimalist aesthetics and need a functional yet elegant centerpiece for your living room, this table will elevate your space. What people say. The table is a perfect size for a small dining area. It's very sturdy and well-made. The round shape makes it easy to move around and fits well in corners. Number 2. Flash Furniture Elon 2-foot round folding event table. Need extra space for your guests? This table offers a reliable, on-demand solution for any indoor or outdoor gathering, big or small. Comfortably seating up to 2 people, it's ideal for parties, barbecues, conferences, or even setting up a display. Its portable design features locking legs for easy transport and compact storage. Plus, non-marring floor caps protect your surfaces. Crafted with a waterproof, impact, and stain-resistant tabletop and durable locking legs, it's designed to withstand years of use. No assembly required. This table supports up to 180 pounds and is ready for your next event right out of the box. What we like? This table is incredibly versatile and convenient. It folds for easy storage and transport and requires no assembly, making it ready to use right out of the box. If you frequently host indoor or outdoor events, parties, or need extra surface space on demand, this durable and portable table is an ideal solution. What people say. The table is a good size for a small dining area. It's easy to assemble and looks great in my kitchen. The surface is smooth and easy to clean. Number 1. Flash Furniture 24 Round Yellow Metal Table. Introducing a popular round activity table, perfect for young learners. It's designed to be a central hub for creativity and collaboration. This table is recommended for children from preschool through 2nd grade. It comfortably seats up to 6 children, making it great for group activities. Crafted with durability in mind, its surface is resistant to scratches and stains. This ensures it stays looking great even with frequent use. With an overall size of 24 inches wide by 24 inches deep and 29 inches high, it fits perfectly in various indoor and outdoor settings. The vibrant yellow color adds a cheerful touch to any classroom or play area. It's a functional and attractive addition to your space. Built for commercial use, this table is designed for longevity and frequent use. You can rely on its sturdy construction for years to come. What we like? Designed for durability and frequent use, this table is commercial grade with a scratch and stain-resistant surface. It's specifically sized and recommended for children from preschool to 2nd grade, comfortably seating up to 6. If you need a robust and safe activity table for a classroom, daycare, or a playroom where children will be using it regularly, this is a great fit. What people say. The table is sturdy and well-made, with a smooth finish that is easy to clean. It's the perfect size for a small dining area or as an accent table in a living room. The round shape makes it easy to navigate around and it fits nicely in corners. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.